So as part 2, let us continue. In part 1 you have seen up to 5 verbs. So sixth one, gratulieren, to congratulate someone. Ich gratuliere meiner Freundin. So since it is dative, we use meiner Freundin. Freundin is a female form, of course, and meiner we are using because of dative. And number 7, helfen, to help. Helfen Sie ihm. That ihm stands for dative form of er. Help him please, or help him, something like that. Schaden is to damage or to cause damage. Rauchen schadet seiner Gesundheit. So in this context we are saying smoking creates damage or damages his Gesundheit, his health. So anybody's health, of course. In this example, seiner Gesundheit. Gesundheit is feminine form, so seiner Gesundheit. Okay, number 9, schmecken. Schmecken is to taste. Der Apfel schmeckt mir sehr gut. The apple tastes me very well, very nicely. So last one, zuhören. So zuhören is to listen to someone. Bitte hören Sie mir einmal zu. Zuhören is one separable verb, trennbares verb. So that is why we are putting zu at the end. So again, our example mir we have used. So we, instead of mir, you can use any dative form of any pronoun. Mir, dir, ihnen, ihm, whatever it is, as appropriate. So only thing is, what you have to keep remembering is, whenever these verbs comes, gratulieren, helfen, schaden, schmecken, zuhören, are the other 5 verbs which you have seen in other part. So we have to remember we require dative case. So that is why we shown this example. So if you have any doubt on this chapter or in general in German language, so please send your feedback or email, or in the YouTube itself you can make a comment. You can send an email or make a comment or whatever. Email ID is also shown here. And we conduct regularly online German classes for all levels, of course, A1, A2, B1 predominantly, and other levels also. So this is our contact numbers, so you can take note. And at the end, please subscribe if you like this channel. Otherwise, please comment that, so that any feedback or anything you want to hear more, so that will be helpful for the people to learn this language. Thank you for listening.